Today in this video we'll discuss what are the different things that will going to help you out to get a job. So the first thing is skill up. Do not stop while learning. Avoid taking long gaps, right? So skill up on the regular basis is very necessary in this IT sector. Then the next comes is the projects. Try to do the projects also side by side, whatever you are learning, like any specific language you are learning, so side by side try to do the small projects related to it. Then the next come is socializing. Do socialize over the platforms like LinkedIn and the Twitter. Whatever you are doing, like today you have created a website, or today you have completed your super badge in the Salesforce Trailhead and all, so then do share it over the social media. Next is try to increase your network. When you are already on the Twitter and the LinkedIn, try to follow the professional who are there in this field. Try to contact with them, do share your projects with them and ask for the referrals, right? Referrals, yes, no doubt, will be given priorities for the job interviews. So do not just learn in the private. Whatever you are doing, just open it over the social platforms also. Go for the referrals, can increase your network. These will going to help you out to get a jobs, right?